Kyocera's newest milling cutter featuring a triangle insert design for stable machining and excellent shatter resistance. Introducing the MEV High Performance End Mill. The key is a unique vertical triangular insert. High rake design with large axial rake reduces cutting forces. The vertical inserts enable large optimal web thickness. It combines low resistance and high rigidity to improve chattering resistance. Witness the superior chatter resistance when compared to competitor cutters. Notice the chatter coming from the positive type and vertical type inserts. Now listen to the stable machining and excellent chatter resistance of the MEV. As you can see, the MEV produces a higher quality finish. In the wall cutting accuracy comparison, MEV provides better quality than its competitors. MEV is also economical. The insert features 3 usable cutting edges. Kyocera Original Megacoat Nano insert grade delivers long tool life. In the internal evaluation, MEV shows superior wear resistance and better cutting edge condition than competitors. Furthermore, the MEV is a multifunctional milling cutter. Applications range from shouldering and slotting to ramping and helical machining. The MEV is the next generation of Kyocera end mills that combines high-performance, economical efficiency, and multifunctional abilities. The new MEV can solve many of your machining challenges.